guys, how's it going? It's David. Real quick, I just want to remind you, we have stickers in. You can feel free to order these by either DMing me on my Instagram or by sending me an email at this link right here. Thank you all and have a great day. Good morning, everybody. We were down at the shop again, where it's time to make some more work get done. Except today, we're working on the charger. Charger's got a lower ball joint on it, it's going out. And that's what I'm going to work on also. Now, the weather, especially over there, does not look that great. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the Volvo out, put the charger in, so I can stay dry while I work. Oh good, they are manual. Okay, that makes it a little bit easier. Okay, Volvo out, charger in. And there we go. One more sticker for the table. So today what we're doing is the Dodge Charger needs a new lower ball joint in the driver's side. Now, unfortunately, on some models of cars, the lower ball joint is infused with the entire lower control arm. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the lower control arms on your car. Okay, first step is we're going to pull this caliper off. I'm going to bungee it up here so we can get all the brake stuff out of the way and we have more space to work on the actual lower control arm. And we can probably start breaking bolts off. Probably a 21. Yeah, that's a 19. That's probably a 21. Probably the same thing on the other side. I really hope it's a 20. Alright, we did it. First bolt out, and steering arm's in the way. That has to come off too. Fantastic. Perfect. Okay, we got that all pulled apart. Dad came up, pulled apart my dust shield so we can reach up into the bolt that's behind here, start pulling off this lower control arm.
Oh, yeah. You gotta. Here's your metal hammer.
Sitting on the thing over there.
Your caliper dropped down a little bit.
I am aware.
You might be in the way of that turning.
There it goes.
Okay. Loosen it?
Yeah, it's pretty loose.
It's so weird that it fails so quickly.
I know. So on this here is our new control arm assembly. It's going to sit in the car like this. This is going to go down to the bottom of your wheel hub This will connect to your strut, and this sits in on your subframe to hold the whole car in place. Now this guy is good. You'll see this pin right here that connects to the bottom. It's in there nice and firm. All over here is our failed ball joint. And you can see this guy right here is nice and loose, which is going to have a lot of squeaking when you're going over bumps or turning or in any way changing the position of that front wheel hub, which is a lot of what you're hearing. So it's nice and loose, bad ball joint. Firm, good ball joint. Alright, slight misstep. We're gonna go see if we can find a new bolt and get something to eat. Alright, that is in. We're working on slapping stuff in. Okay. Whoops. New hardware in there. And there. And there goes the air compressor. Throw it off. Go for it. Got a lot of grass in your hood.
Sweep from dragging around on the garage floor.
Alright, and just like that, charger is done. Hopefully that solves my squeaking problems. And we're gonna go test it out here in a minute and get that settled away. We're gonna go test it. I'm just gonna close up the shop and we'll see you guys on the road. Okay, test number 1. Pulling out of this driveway. That seems pretty good to me. Alright, test number 2. We're gonna hit this bump and then go into some slaloms, however you pronounce it. Okay. That sounds pretty good to me. And there you have it. It's how to do your lower control arm / ball joint. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. I got more content coming, as well as a kind of experimental kind of lineup I'm doing, where I do a lot of videos on like kind of how-tos, like how to fix your own car. I've got a video coming soon, it's about how to change a tire. I'm going to do more in the future, like how to change your oil, how to do air filters, as well as just many other little things. If you guys know something you want to see me do, leave a comment, see what you want me to do. Obviously I'm not going to do like big things in this lineup, like engine swaps or rewiring things. Like this is going to be like a playlist for like people to learn how to work on their own cars. So like little everyday maintenance things that you should really know how to do. So yeah, go ahead and look forward to that coming in the future at some point. And